Hey creators, have you ever wanted to make money from your digital content but didn't know where to start? Maybe you design templates, write ebooks or create stock images, but finding the right platform to sell them is a challenge. Well, I have a great news for you. BYTE is the perfect place to monetize your creativity. It's super easy to get started. Just sign up, upload your products, set your prices and start earning every time someone makes a purchase. Let BYTE take care of payments so you can focus on creating amazing content while we handle the rest. Imagine turning your skills into a steady source of income, whether as a side hustle or a full-time business. At BYTE, your creativity is your currency. Forget about manufacturing or shipping. With digital products, once you upload your creation, you can sell it unlimited time effortlessly. The more digital products you upload, the more people recognize your work, leading to bigger opportunities. So creators, this is your moment. Whether you design, write or educate, BYTE will turn your creativity into endless opportunities. Sign up today and start making an impact. Like, subscribe, share and visit www.byte.com to get started today.